Hey guys, welcome back to Home with Ginger. Today I want to give my porch a really good clean and decorate for the 4th of July. Always wanted to put the bunting up on my porch, but I'd never done it in all these years. Today's the day. It's beautiful outside, so I'm going to get this porch railing a good clean, paint my front porch steps. The wraparound porch is really what made me fall in love with my house in the first place many years ago, but it seems like the birds love it just as much as I do. So if you have any tips on how to keep the birds away, please leave that in the comment and enjoy the rest of the video.
For someone else to try, but not me, not me. They say slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit,
I'm just using some Dawn dish soap and some really hot water. I love this little rolling cart that I have out here. It's plastic, so it's really good out in the weather. The sides can also fold up, so I use it a lot when I'm doing my planting outside. It's very lightweight, so it makes this job super easy. I'm going to get this finished up and then paint my front porch steps. They're in desperate need of a refresh. I'm going to give these front porch steps a good sweep and then I can paint.
Strong, crazy bets on me. Back mid-scroll, I'ma get an arcade. Walking the wild, don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless jazz. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs.
Right about now, I was wishing that shade would go ahead and cover me. I was so hot, I had to take a break, go inside, get something to drink.
You and me dancing on the Gideon time, on the Gideon
This bunting came with zip ties to secure it, but I ended up using pipe cleaner. It was so much easier to adjust as I was going.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking.
Sit back and get comfy and watch how this porch can change with just a few simple decorations. I think it turns out so beautiful.
I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head.
Gonna put this flag up, put a wreath on my front door, get my ferns hung back up and watered, and it's all done.
Catching a breeze, love moving through me like wildfire.
I paid $5 for this patio set. It had a broken leg. My husband fixed it. We sanded, stained, power washed the cushions, and it looks good as new. I had this ceramic owl in some of my home decor. I'd read that owls deterred the bird activity. I really need to order an owl that's meant for outside, but I thought I would give this a try and see if it works.
In the light of the moon, like I'm living in a dream.
I've had these retractable pulleys for the ferns that I can just easily pull down when I'm watering and then push back up real easily. I leave them on the porch all year long. They've lasted me for years.
In my dream, in my dream.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would do my thrift haul outside. I have a small thrift haul to share with you today. I really love some of the things that I found. I hope you like them too, so let's see what I found. Anytime I see this kind of decor, I grab it. It's nice filler. This is a baby welcome sign. It was brand new, so I thought this would be cool to have on hand in case we have any new babies born. This is a large wooden round that's already been painted. I like the colors on it. It would go with a lot of my decor. I'll probably use it underneath decor sitting on the island. I love the color of this. I'm going to use it as a vase. It's a soap container, but the top was missing, but I thought it would be pretty with some flowers in it. This is a jar of unopened beads for bracelet making. Anytime I see flower pots, I always grab them. I really like this one. It looks like honeycomb. These were so cute. My daughter loved these, so I'll probably send these home with her. But they're a matching set with all different coordinating designs on it. So pretty. This is a new little sconce for the wall. I will not be putting electric to this, but I've bought things similar to this in the past, and I'll put them different places in the house with battery operated light bulbs. And I have some little shades already that would fit this perfect. This was just a little charger to keep my coffee warm. These are two little Yankee candles. In my last decor haul, I had a little ceramic bird, and this would look perfect down in that little bird. My favorite color is green, so anytime I see pretty green decor, I grab it. So I thought this was really pretty. Here's another little glass green dish. Thought this was super pretty. This was a really great find. It's a brand new umbrella. We have several umbrellas throughout the yard, but it seems like we're always moving one to another spot. So anytime I see an umbrella in good condition, I'll grab it. These were really lightweight curtains. They were 4 panels, so it would do 2 windows, or I even thought about doing on my shower, having curtains hanging on each side instead of a shower curtain going across. If I do that, I'll let you guys know how it works out. That's it for today's thrift haul. I hope you've enjoyed it and enjoy the rest of the video. Later that evening, my husband had just got this lawnmower and he talked me into getting on and taking it for a ride, so here we go. I decided to make some pasta salad with dinner. I kept it really simple. Just cut up some tomatoes, an English cucumber, some pepperonis, put some Italian dressing on top. Super easy, quick, refreshing for summer.
But you weren't
trying these pork chops tonight for the first time. It's pork chops stuffed with bacon and cheddar. I'm using a magic eraser here to clean this water line. It amazes me how little effort it takes to get this clean. That's it for today's video. Let me know what you have planned for the 4th of July, and I hope to see you next week.